Did you just say that we really need cooking aprons?
Let's say babe. Maybe even hashtag babe.
We need cooking aprons that say hashtag babe.
Yeah.
Where can we get those at?
We can order them online.
Okay, that's gonna be coming. Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And babe.
Actually, this isn't a cooking video. This is called Hi, and welcome back to Cocktails with Josh.
And babe.
And babe. Today we are going to learn how to make a bourbon rye old fashioned by popular request. So here we go. Meanwhile, babe is cooking tonight, but we're not talking about shrimp. We're talking about bourbon old fashions. Okay, this is not a healthy video. I'm forewarning you right now. So a couple of my friends know that I make some old fashions, and they've asked me a couple times how to make an old fashioned at home. And again, I'm not a bartender, and this is just my personal and Babe's, Babe's preference on an old fashioned. So you are going to need some gigantic ice cubes. You can buy this thing on Amazon. An orange. These cherries. Ooh, look at my hand.
The best.
These cherries are the best. Those are the tools of the trade you're gonna need. You're gonna need some glasses. You're gonna need a fine rye or a bourbon. We're going with a High West, I can't even talk. High West double rye. Bitters. That is a big giant bag of sugar cubes, although you're not gonna use that many. So here we go. Babe and I have created this old fashioned. This is how we like to make our old fashions at home. On a Friday night, after work week, we wanna have a good old fashioned, so this is how we do it at home. Again, not a bartender, this is our personal preference, but using the Luxardo or Tashi cherries, I'm gonna include a picture right here of the Tashi cherries. You can make a pretty awesome old fashioned at your house for fairly inexpensive, depending on what kind of whiskey you use. So let's take a look. Okay, so first things first, Babe and my glasses. We are going to take 1 sugar cube in each glass. We are going to take our bitters. And I like to do a couple dashes. A little bit of that, a little bit of that. Just a little bit. Lid back on. Now, I like to use this muddler here, and since the sugar cube is wet, oh, Babe's phone's going off in the background. Na 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 na. I like to make a paste. Sugar cube, bitters, paste. So next, I got an orange. And there's a lot of different ways to do this. Some people talk about using orange zest or whatever. I'm just gonna tell you the way I like to do it here. So, I'm gonna slice a little piece, like so, if you can see this. Come in close, babe, come in close. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this around my glass, and I'm just gonna get the rim, a little bit of orange. I'm gonna put this, remember we have our bitters or that, I'm gonna put that like that. Do another one like this. Just get a little bit of peel, okay? Again. Just want to rim the glass like this, and I'm gonna put it in there like so. So again, these are the ice cubes that we made with our little ice cube trays that cost just a couple bucks on Amazon. Ice cubes in. Next, the fun part. Okay, so we got our ice cubes. Okay, so we have 2 cherries that I put in, the orange peel, the sugar cube, the bitters, and those ice cubes. Okay, and again, tonight's selection is gonna be the High West Double Rye. Don't use Jack Daniels. Don't use Jim Beam, unless it's a really good one. That's my opinion. Use a good quality bourbon or rye. Now, you want to get that sugar cube, that orange, the cherries. You want to get that all mixed up. And now this is the flavor. If you like it a little bit stronger and not as sweet, add some more whiskey. That's how I like it. This is probably going to be a little too sweet for me, but perfect for Babe.
Yeah.
My babe. So you want everything mixed up. And as the ice cube melts just a little bit, it's gonna give it just the perfect. Okay, babe, it's time to toast.
Okay.
What are we toasting to?
Maybe I'm back in town.
Babe being back in town for more cooking videos and more fun and more adventures. What do you think, babe?
It's good.
I'm just trying to get a quick view of your cooking while you're doing it.
Oh yeah, I'm making jambalaya tonight with sausage and shrimp.
And you can find a jambalaya video on our YouTube channel. Yes, you can.
Well, I don't have anything profound to say, but girls are allowed to enjoy whiskey too when it's done right. If it's a good whiskey, it's smooth and it's really enjoyable. But if it's something like Jack Daniels, he's right. Whew, college years, never again.
What's your favorite whiskey?
Oh, my favorite's Basil Hayden.
Basil
It's
Hayden.
really light, it's really smooth. I can actually drink that straight by itself.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Maybe we should retitle this video calling it Whiskey with Josh.
And babe?
And babe. That was just a quick overview on how we make our old fashions at home. Super easy, super simple. Just get yourself a quality whiskey, those cherries and orange, big ice cube. Sugar cube is the perfect amount of sugar, couple dashes of bitters, and you're in the game. We like the silicone ice cube tray. Those are good ones. And in future videos, we're gonna start experimenting with different flavored bitters. Like there's a chocolate bitters.
The Aztec spicy chocolate.
There's a spicy chocolate bitters. So you can really twist up your old fashioned game, not only just having the citrus from the orange, but you could do a couple different flavors of bitters or, you know, with the ice cube, the sugar cube. You can take out less sugar, add more sugar. Of course, the cherries are a must. Don't use the regular Shirley Temple maraschino. I can't even talk. Maraschino cherries. That's not up to par. So there's a lot that you could do with this cocktail. It's really good. So anyways, thank you for watching.